Ram 1500 Rebel, suspension, tires, and off-road essentials. The 2026 Ram 1500 Rebel is a full-size off-road truck built for adventure, capability, and rugged performance. Known for its powerful engines, aggressive styling, and advanced 4x4 technology, the Rebel is designed to tackle challenging terrain while offering comfort and convenience. To maximize its off-road potential, upgrading tires, suspension, and essential accessories is key for both safety and performance. A top priority for Rebel enthusiasts is off-road tires. The 2026 Ram 1500 Rebel supports a range of all-terrain and mud-terrain tires, providing enhanced traction, durability, and handling in extreme conditions. Popular choices include BF Goodrich All-Terrain T/AKO2, Nitto Ridge Grappler, and Goodyear Wrangler DuraTrack, which deliver excellent grip on rocks, dirt, mud, and sand. Upgrading to larger tires improves ground clearance, approach/departure angles, and trail capability, while giving the Rebel a more aggressive and imposing stance. Suspension upgrades are another essential area for off-road performance. The Rebel comes equipped with factory off-road suspension, but aftermarket options like lift kits, upgraded shocks, and sway bar disconnects can further enhance wheel articulation, ride comfort, and obstacle clearance. Brands such as Bilstein, Fox, and Rough Country provide reliable solutions for adventurous drivers seeking superior off-road handling. Proper suspension tuning allows the Ram 1500 Rebel to conquer rough trails and uneven terrain while remaining stable and controlled on highways. Other off-road essentials include rock sliders, skid plates, bumpers, and recovery gear. Rock sliders protect the truck's sides from rocks and debris, while heavy-duty front and rear bumpers offer winch compatibility and enhanced durability. Skid plates shield critical components like the engine, transfer case, and fuel tank, ensuring that your truck survives the harshest trails. Adding LED light bars and auxiliary lighting improves visibility during nighttime or low-light off-road excursions. Interior and utility upgrades are equally important. All-weather floor mats, cargo organizers, roof racks, and storage solutions keep gear safe and organized. Portable air compressors, recovery straps, and GPS navigation devices allow drivers to handle challenging trails safely and confidently. These upgrades help ensure that your Rebel is fully prepared for extended off-road adventures. The 2026 Ram 1500 Rebel is not just a capable truck, it's a complete off-road machine. With the right tires, suspension upgrades, protective gear, and utility enhancements, the Rebel becomes a trail-ready powerhouse, capable of tackling mud, rocks, sand, and steep inclines with ease. Equipped with these essential modifications, the Ram 1500 Rebel 2026 delivers a thrilling, reliable, and highly capable off-road experience, making it a top choice for full-size truck enthusiasts seeking adventure-ready performance and rugged durability.